We head in hour by hour here. I think we top out low 70s around 4 or 5 o'clock before falling back down here into the low 60s, getting into the upper 50s by the time the evening rolls around. We're going to expect to fall down here in the low 40s here. Going to be mostly clear skies. Another quiet night in store, but here comes that front heading into tomorrow. And you can see mainly the western part of the state highlighted in that level 2 slight risk, and that's over into Illinois, and Chicago is included in that. And if you're on the eastern part of the state, in that level 1 marginal risk. Now, of course, this is day 2. It could be adjusted, could be shifted, all depend on how models pick it up on it later on this afternoon and evening. But as right now, we have the potential for some strong to severe storms heading into tomorrow. Temperatures once again back into the 60s, maybe topping on the low 70s here ahead of that front. And as we put the futurecast into motion here, I think the leading edge of some of those showers could very well arrive as early as maybe 3, 4 o'clock. But the storm itself, the storms with that front, expected to arrive heading into around 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the afternoon. As that front pushes out of here, cooler temperatures on the way as well. So 7-day forecast here, low 70s for your high heading